Everyone inside can start. Hi everyone, my name is Furkan and I'm an internal medicine resident at UPMC, at the same time volunteer of Whitetulip Health Foundation. So thank you very much for coming to this workshop. This workshop is being organized by Whitetulip Health Foundation in partnership with Overall. Before we get started, I want to say Happy Eid to Muslim friends in the room. Today is the first day of the Eid. So I hope you had enough time to eat some pizza, meet some new friends, and visit our local resources tables at the outside. If you did not have enough time, we will, after the panel discussion, we'll have some more time to continue to make some new connections. So now we're going to actually start with our program. Dr. Quentin Bullock, who's the president of CCAC, is going to do a welcome speech. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Bullock.
Thank you, Dr. Erton. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Excellent. I know we are all full of pizza and solar and conversation, but it's always a pleasure to welcome you. Welcome to the Community College of Allegheny County, our Allegheny County campus, to be specific. I'm delighted to see all of you here tonight for the first in series of workshops that are dedicated to helping connect healthcare professionals around topics of local interest. This evening, All for All, together with our friends at the Whitetulip Health Foundation, will be providing valuable information on how best to serve our immigrant and refugee communities. A presentation that I'm sure that we will all find illuminating and very helpful. As a very diverse and inclusive community college, CCAC is often the first place members of immigrant and refugee communities turn to when considering academic and career training credentials. Many of our students have attended and may have graduated from a college or university in their home country, but find that they must start over from the beginning after beginning and arriving in the United States because the credential that they have earned abroad does not satisfy the requirements for the same credential in the U.S. To help immigrants and refugee students acclimate to both CCAC and their new lives here in the U.S., new students, visa holders work closely with the college's Office of International Students and are paired with a CCAC student ambassador for their first semester at the college. We offer academic support in numerous ways. For example, we offer credit and non-credit English as an academic language course for students whose first language is not English. Currently, at least 2 of our campuses offer English as an academic language tutoring services, but our goal is to expand this to all of our campuses in the future. We also offer other tutoring services, including drop-in access as needed at our math cafes, our learning commons, as well as assistance and support at CCAC's open computer labs, our library services, counseling services, career services, and through academic advising. Our foreign-born students also find that many CCAC student clubs, organizations provide a unique opportunity to interact with other students, particularly through the Campus World Culture Clubs, where they can participate typically alongside the domestic students. On other fronts, the college is proud to partner with Literacy Pittsburgh, Global Pittsburgh, the Latino Community Center, and other community agencies on initiatives that are designed to engage Pittsburgh multicultural populations. In addition, the college has joined the Allegheny County Immigrants and Advisors Group. Since its founding, CCAC has been dedicated in serving the educational needs of all members of our community, and this includes individuals from our immigrants and refugee communities. We look forward to continuing the tradition and our role in helping each student make their own version of the American dream come true. We're very proud of our work in the healthcare area. The students that we serve, over 87 international students from 25 countries. Dean Rick Allison has been working very closely with you. He sends his regards. He's sorry that he's not able to be with you tonight, but we welcome you to learn more about our healthcare programs that is offered across our 4 campuses and provide a chance to be a part of your educational growth and development. So as we go through tonight, we ask that you ask questions. We have joining us from the college's leadership team, Dr. Yvonne Walters, who is the president of the Allegheny campus. Will you stand, Dr. Walters? Dr. Stuart Blacklaw, our provost and executive vice president. Dr. Michael Rackaway, our executive director of sponsored programs, and Dean Carol Young. Thank you very much, and welcome to the Community College of Allegheny County.
Thank you, Dr. Bullock, for this warm welcoming speech and reminding us again how diverse is the CCAC population and how much resources that we have available in the CCAC. And I also want to mention thank Dr. Richard Allison, who helped us tremendously organizing this workshop and with all the logistics. So now we're going to move on to a brief presentation about what this network, what this program is, to the program. So again, our program is called the Diverse Healthcare Professionals Network Program that we work with together with All for All. This is the first workshop of this program. I'm going to briefly mention about what the Whitetulip and All for All is, and then we're going to talk about more details about the program. So briefly, Whitetulip Health Foundation is a non-profit organization that connects healthcare professionals who want to give back to the society. And our aim is to create a platform where healthcare professionals can share ideas and experiences, provide mutual support, and collaborate, channel their own personal passions and skills in community projects similar to this, and both locally and abroad. So the founders of Whitetulip Health Foundation were inspired by the white tulip flower, which is an important symbol of purity, caring, and aspiration. So we're a nationwide foundation. We have our headquarters in New Jersey, and we have 12 different locations, and we're expanding, and we're part of the Pittsburgh branch. We partner in this project with All for All, which is an immigrant inclusion initiative, and they aim to connecting people, organizations, and communities to the actions that build a welcoming and inclusive region. They achieve those goals through convenings and programming around professional development, such as this program, community engagement, and institutional change across sectors. And again, partnering with All for All, that's how we were able to reach those great resources that we have outside, such as Isaac, Casa San Jose, and Literacy Pittsburgh, and many more. And I want to thank specifically Lizzie, Kia, if they're here, can stand up. And thank you also, Lizzie, for having us in this workshop. So, as part of this partnership with All for All, we were granted last year by Vibrant Pittsburgh and Jewish Federation of Greater Pittsburgh for a project called Creating a Network of Diverse Healthcare Professionals in Southwestern Pennsylvania. So as part of this project, we aim to create a network of healthcare professionals with diverse backgrounds. And with this network, we aim to support immigrants and refugees in our region to advance their healthcare careers in the United States. This is the main slide, just briefly outlining what this project is all about. As part of this project, we first started with trying to create a network with our launch event that was done in April 30 in 2018, this year at University of Pittsburgh. With this event, I know some folks here also attended this event. We had a great turnaround, and our goal with this event was to talk to our friends in the region, see what are the needs of immigrants and refugees who wants to pursue in healthcare training, what are the barriers, and then try to have that, analyze that feedback and see what we need to do as part of this program. And with those discussions, we end up with these two different pathways. One is we decided to do these quarterly workshops. This is the first one that you are attending right now, with different teams based on the feedback we received. The first one is this today, the team is connecting healthcare professionals to the local resources we have within the region. And then next one will be building your career in healthcare, specifically for immigrants and refugees. And then we have cultural awareness in healthcare systems, and then the American healthcare system as an overall, the themes of the workshops for this year will be. And then along with these workshops, we will have an individualized support for immigrants and refugees in the region. And this support will include the mentorship program, specifically one-to-one within the area of interest of the immigrant or refugee who wants to seek healthcare training in the region. And then we will have an observership opportunities. We work with the UPMC Allegheny Health Network to provide those opportunities. And then assistance in school applications and or job research. We meet with the local universities such as CCAC and other universities to connect those immigrant refugees to the programs that are available within the region. But this is like tailored to individualized support and what they need for this program. So this is the main kind of the slide. So thank you very much for this listening to this brief presentation. If you do have any further questions as part of this program and how to refer people to this program, again, we will be available after the panel discussion. You should have received a